All right, looking at sentiment again. So look at this. Last night and today, because it's a 24-hour indicator, 69% was long, guys, long. And they even will tell you if it's bearish or not, but you don't need this. Now, is every pair going to turn out like this? No. I'm about to show you what I'm talking about. So you look over here to trading opportunities. You're not just gonna. You can't just come over here and say, "Oh, well, they're saying that the JP GBP, which is the British pound, is long. So I'm just going to jump in blindly. Oh, they said this is bearish. I'm just going to go bearish. So you see all these. Okay. Um, let's do this. Hold on, right quick, guys. So let's go to the chart. Okay. So I'm on a 15-minute chart, but what do you notice, guys? You notice we have this. Clear all this off for y'all. What do you notice? We had a nice downtrend. Okay. Hold on. All right. So clearly we had a downtrend. All right. So we made a what? Low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we're looking at another potential lower high, and we could continue pushing back down. But if you look, 69% were long. So guess what happened? All the longs were what? Knocked out. So how many pips is this on the drop? It's a 114 pip drop. It's a massive drop, guys. But that's a lot of money that could have been made too by using sentiment. For some reason, people just don't like to do it. They just love to follow the crowd and not do the opposite. I don't know why. So let's look over here. The British pound. Let's see what's going on. So I don't really trade that pair, but let's look. Sorry about that. GB. All right. So what do we have over here? Let's look. All right. So 57%. I didn't mean to do that. Let me go back. Sorry. We're right here. 57%. Okay. So remember that was short. We're going up. Easy money. It's 72 pips. If you're wondering where I'm talking about right here. All right. That's how we get the pip count. Let's look at USD Swiss franc. That's why I like trading forex because it's just less pairs. Stocks is okay, but unless you got a basket of stocks that you usually trade, that's one thing. But if you're looking for, sometimes it's just too much, overwhelming for me. USD Swiss franc, where you at? All right, so 80% were long and 20% bearish. Like I told you, not everyone is going to be correct. So this one actually went in the direction of the sentiment. But let's check on another site. Um, okay, so 74% were long and 26 short. So that's why this is a great example. Let me show you right here. All right, this is a great example of why you still want to look at the chart so you can look at the fund, so you can get a feel. Okay, so once again, majority were long, and the longs, the well, I take that back. Yeah, over time, but You know what? This one was right. Sorry, guys, because I was looking at the overall. I was looking at the overall. I forgot I was on a 15-minute chart, so I'm sorry. So right now they're back winning, but they just got slaughtered, which is cool. This is what you want. All right. Um, Hold on. I gotta check on one of my trades. Bear with me. All right. So this did. So from here down to here, we got 33 pips. So it did drop. Like I said, I was looking at the wrong thing. I forgot I was on a 15-minute chart. So based on that, yeah, this was accurate. The 80%, we got that correction. So basically, when you see these ratios like this, you really want to look for the ones that are not really close. Like, so this is called mix. So we can go look at the Euro USD, but you want the ones that's it's a clear imbalance. Okay, so what was it again on Euro USD? Highlight it for you guys right here. 55% was long. Okay, so get a little bit of downward, but we're stair stepping. Uh, this could be setting up for a potential flag, bear flag, where because bear flags look like it's moving up, but it's really setting up to get a drop. So this one could play out. But once again, guys, you don't ever come in here and just look and say, "Oh well, this is an imbalance. I'm just gonna go short or long." Nah, that's not how it works. You use it what we call confluence. All right. All right. So that's your flag pattern. So we basically if to really go short, you need this area to be violated on this trend line. So yeah, guys. So listen, set your plans. Work your plans. Well, you set of plans to work your plans, your trade plans, how you trade, what you do. All right. Um, so I just drew this up. I'm waiting for T1 to take. That's why I told you to hold on. I need to check on the trade because I am in this trade. So hopefully, I want for price to get back up into this area. All right. So I've been in this trade for a minute, and I just added another position. So we up 41 pips. Actually, I got in about right here because I saw the rejection, and I'm gonna go through this particular trade right quick, why I took it. And I'm gonna show you just my thoughts coming into the market. Let me take this trend line off the way for you. All right, so all right, we're moving good. Let's see. Start taking off some positions. So what I do sometimes I scale out a little bit off my positions, and I let the rest run. So I'm gonna move my stop loss into profit. Got in back right here. So I'm gonna move my stop loss back to right in here. Okay. And come on, let's go ahead and hit that. All right, let me pull up what I did. I used my Bollinger. All right, price was what? Out of the water. So out of the water, right here. All right, it gave me um, indication that we're gonna look to go bullish, and this is a rejection candle. So that's confluence that lined up. All right, we also had we're gonna take this off now. We're gonna go on a higher time frame, and we're gonna see. I think it was maybe the 4 hour. Let's look, see what this is. Yeah. So on this 4 hour, we got a double bottom. Let me move this out of the way. All right. So you see right here, double bottom. So that means bullishness, right? And we got a nice rejection candle. All right. So this is the new candle. We got 3 hours and 44 minutes left. All right. We're about to go and hit target number one. Back on 15. All right. Target number one is reached barely, but it's there. All right. So we did get there. So you see why I take a little bit of profits off forehand. Okay. Why? Because I expect the rejection once we get to our targets. Also, I learned in the past is that I don't go to the absolute on the first time because just like this, price is turning away right now. So because in the past I'd be like 2 pips away and it'll turn on me. I'm like, oh my god. So I just secured and I'm still up. So I got 2 positions open. Um, Standard lots, 2 standard lot sizes in play. Uh, so over $700 some change already taking a standard. So yeah, guys. So this is for like I told y'all. This is forex. I trade the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar the most. You can also look at um, my profile. Make sure y'all follow me too. eWhite41. I post my charts and stuff. Uh, so yeah. So you can check me out and you can see that forex is 50% and then crypto 34. So for you guys who know me, I trade forex the heaviest. I invest in crypto the heaviest. Stocks. Um, I do a little bit of options trading. I do some OTC trading, which is penny stocks as well too. A lot of people sleep on penny stocks. They're like, nah, they ain't, nah. It's a science to those. If you understand them, they're good. Um, if you're serious about those, I may have something I can give y'all that y'all can be a part of. So I know a guy that's what he does. He kills it. He's great at screening these things. So just gotta leave a comment, or if you got my personal information, you can inbox me. You know where to inbox me at, and but you gotta be serious about that group. I'm not gonna just put you over there. All right. So this was just a USJPY. All right, we had a head and shoulders pattern. You could play it to see if I was accurate. And I was. So I had 3 levels. At 1, 2, 3. All 3 levels hit. All right. So if you would have saw this, you possibly could have followed the trade. I gave you the updates as well on it. And guess what? I only got 3 likes. So in a sense, I'm sort of glad I only got 3 likes. Will be a time that I think I'll become very popular, maybe as an investor, trader, or educator, possibly. But by that time, I'll probably be deep in the sunset just right now, and the access won't be like this. So if you're watching this video, you go over here and you subscribe, you follow me, right? Right? I'm gonna try to do my best to make sure that I look out for you guys and put some real true value out here. But you gotta look. A lot of times when people are out there and they got a big huge followings, sometimes the dynamics of that change. It's no longer intimate. Okay. So I'm giving you real, you got access to me. You can, if you left a comment or something, I probably would follow up because it's not drowned out with 1,000 people. In life, we want to get as many people on board as possible. I get it. But we got to understand the dynamics to that. When there isn't a lot of people, you have the opportunity to build meaningful relationships with people, and you can watch them grow, and they can watch you grow, and y'all both can grow together, and yeah, everybody can help each other, right? So that's like Larry. If you know Larry Williams, go follow him, find him. Next time I do a video, I'll show y'all a picture of him or whatnot. So he's very great at what he does as well too. But we are out here just trying to help people. So that's what we're doing. So subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, whatnot. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I told y'all before, I'll be doing more little videos like this, just giving information out, guys. Like everything in the trading can be done really, truly for free. Now, if you want somebody's time individually, then that's one thing they coach you, and it's okay if they got courses and stuff like that. Just make sure it's not something where it's just ridiculously priced, because a lot of times once you get in there and you start looking, You be like, man, there's a lot of stuff that I already found out online for free already. They're just regurgitating, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is that get as much of this as free as possible. Then sometimes when you do get somebody on, they're gonna reveal something to you that you didn't think about, and they're like, "Oh, it's gonna be the aha moment." Like, "Ah, man, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah." Um, so, like I said, some courses and things are great, the paid ones, whatever. But it's a lot of people online that's really trying to get y'all free game. You got to do the work. You got to overcome your own trader and investor blocks, your own self sabotage. That's what really hurts people in this game. It's not everybody looking for a perfect system. There is no perfect system. Every system has losses, pros, cons, weaknesses, strengths. It's you as the individual. You as the individual got to get out your own way. I was that type of person. I was trying to find strategy after strategy after strategy when it was really me. I didn't have no risk management. I was just taking trades to be trading. Like I was just all over the place. And I was like, nah, let me get my system correct. All right. And then when I get my system correct of how I think and act, everything else is fine. And you just keep working your thing. All right. I show you every time I'm doing these videos, I'm using my system or what I do. I don't care. Like if it loses, I'm not going to be up here like, my system don't work. The market is the market. The market gonna do what the market is gonna do. Okay, so when I took this trade today, I showed y'all my target hit. I'm out now, 100% out now. All right, so I made my money for the day or for the week. Doesn't matter. Could I lost on this? Yeah, I entered down here. Where my stop loss go? Below market structure. We always know that rule. So I would have lost 80 to 8. Well, yeah, $80 on this if it went wrong. So I risked 80 to make over 400 something. And then of course I got in, I scaled in once this market structure right here was broken. I put another position on. And then where does this stop loss go? When I put another position on right here, once this level was broken right here, right, where my stop loss go? Okay, there's two ways. It can go under the candle that was eliminated. So this candle was eliminated. My stop loss goes right here. And how much would that would have been? All right. Then this is $170.30, I believe, if I would have lost. So boom. But you know, over eight now, it's over $800 something plus dollars made. Keep it simple, guys. The greed will get you slow and steady. Rabbits, I'm not rabbits, turtles. We all been taught that they're very, very, very slow. Well, that ain't true. I seen a turtle run across my grass in my backyard last summer. I was shocked. I was like, they can move. Yeah, when they try to get somewhere or get out of harm's way, them jokers will get up and move. Now, it's not as fast as some of the other land animals or whatever, but it's enough. So start out like a turtle, and when it's time to rev it up a little bit, you can take baby steps. All right, but y'all have a great day. Hit hit the subscribe, like. See y'all on the next one.